was amazing. This is the faggot that just did that. Amanda Elizabeth Howard. Paparazzi! Down the catwalk.
Are you turn? Come on!
I'll do your karate move.
I can't even kick my leg. I feel like kick my leg hard. It's like, I have to kick my leg.
You know, if you like bend your other leg, it makes it seem like higher. Like, no, you gotta bend down. Ready? You gotta go. Hold on.
Oh my god. Here.
Man, big fro. Look at her big fro. Here goes the whole camera. Hi. This is Amanda Elizabeth Howard. She's some kind of tart.
Look at the Mexicanos. Look. Mexicanos. Can you zoom in? No, you can't. To run by. That was the run by. The Mexicanos.
Alright, you're not supposed to have the camera on.
I've got the camera. You just burped. Go ahead, break it down. Dance. Go, Allie. It's your birthday. Allie heard about some busting moves. Oh my god. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. Oh my god, we're gonna die. That was a Mexican. Where did Allie go? Allie. I have lost Allie. This is my search to find Allie. Where is she? I found her. Got you. Got you. Yeah, look at the ground. Look at the ground around you. There's like poo everywhere. This is my ground because the guy came, the long guy. So there's like poopy.
Holy crap, I thought that was a bunch of shit.
There's like poopy everywhere.
It's not poop, it's dirt.
Yeah, I know. Look, I can throw it at Allie. I missed it. I faked her out. This is the end of our video. Bye. Oh. Peace out.
And cut.
Is it off? Is it done recording?
No.
There's the record button.
Ready?
Peace out.
The fuck out.